Hello, I'm Andy. I'm here with Bob Bach of Dartmouth, Massachusetts. How do you like your Handy Andy's quality vacuum cleaner?
I love the vacuum. It works great. We have two dogs. It picks up the pet hair, picks up all the dirt. Probably the best vacuum we've ever owned.
And how about the service here at Handy Andy's?
Oh, the service is excellent. You bring it in, it's fixed the first time, no issues. They go right through the whole machine, perfect, and comes out as good as new.
How about pets? Do you have any hair to clean up, pet hair?
Yes, we do. We have a lot of pet hair to clean up. We have two Jack Russells, wiry hair, and the vacuum does an excellent job pulling it out of the carpet.
And how about floors and stairs?
Yeah, it does a great job with the stairs. We have the extra reach hose that we got with the vacuum, and it reaches all the way up the stairs to the second floor.
Well, thank you very much, Bob.
Okay, thank you.